power battery of new energy vehicles is made up of individual cells connected in a certain way. Today, let's learn about the connection method for power batteries. Now, let's look at the malfunction indicator light of a Geely Emgrand EV300 power battery. Is always on, and could not drive. The owner towed the car to the repair shop for repair. The technician connected the fault diagnostic instrument and read the fault code P152116. And single cell under voltage level 1. Now it requires to detect the battery module with abnormal voltage before testing. We need to know the internal structure of the power battery and understand how the power battery is connected. Only in this way can we to detect the faulty single cells. We will learn from the internal structure of the battery pack and the connection method of power batteries. Through this lesson, we should achieve two goals. First, we need to understand the internal structure of the power battery and the functions of each component. Second, be able to judge the connection method of the battery. Look at the picture. This is the power battery pack assembly of Geely Emgrand EV300. The table on the right shows the technical parameters. What does the grouping mode 95S1P in the table mean? With this question, let's start learning different new energy vehicle models. Its power battery assembly have certain differences in installation, location and structure. The power battery assembly of Geely EV300 is installed at the bottom of the vehicle body. It mainly consists of single cells power battery pack, the structural system, auxiliary electrical system, thermal management system and battery management system. Single cells directly convert chemical energy into electrical energy. The battery pack is a combination of more than one cells, combined in series parallel or series parallel. The structural system, it is composed of battery module cover tray, various metal brackets, end plates and bolts. The electrical system mainly consists of sensors, relays, fuses, high and low voltage wire harnesses, etc. The thermal management system keeps the battery in an optimal working temperature range. The battery management system generally consists of CSC acquisition system, battery control unit, and battery high voltage distribution unit. This is the battery we often see, also known as a single cell or single cell battery. Is a basic unit that directly converts chemical energy into electrical energy, positive electrode, and can be recharged regardless of the shape of the single cell. Its internal structure is similar. Consists of positive and negative electrodes, diaphragms and electrolytes. It's just that different types of single cells, the active substances or materials on the positive and negative poles, and the electrolyte used is different. The types of single cells are classified by the cell's polarity. Materials are mainly divided into nickel-cadmium batteries, NiMH batteries, lithium-ion batteries, etc. The most commonly used is lithium-ion battery. Li-ion batteries are divided into ternary lithium batteries and lithium iron phosphate batteries. In 2021, in China, the installed capacity of ternary lithium batteries accounted for 48.1% of the total installed capacity, with a year-on-year increase of 91.3%. The installed capacity of lithium iron phosphate batteries accounted for 51.7% of the total installed capacity, with a year-on-year increase of 227.4%. according to the shape of the battery shell, can be divided into cylindrical, square, blade-shaped, etc. Among them, the more common square type are divided into steel, shell, and aluminum plastic film. The model of cylindrical single-cell battery consists of 5 Arabic numerals. The first 2 digits represent the diameter. The third and fourth digits represent the height as shown in the figure. It's the model meaning of 18650, cylindrical cell. The model of square single battery consists of 6 Arabic numerals. The first 2 digits represent the thickness code. The middle 2 digits represent the width code. And the last 2 digits represent the length code. As shown in the figure, it's the model meaning of 370,715 square single cell. Compared with cylindrical batteries, more models use square batteries. A comparison table of several square lithium battery sizes. The previous one is a single-cell battery. What is a battery module? Battery module is to combine more than one battery cell are combined in series parallel or series parallel. And only one pair of positive and negative output terminals. And used as a power source. Battery series connection is to connect 2 or more batteries. Connect the positive and negative poles in series. The positive pole of the first battery is connected to the negative pole of the second battery. The positive pole of the second battery is connected to the negative pole of the third battery. And so on to form a series battery pack. The total voltage after series connection is the sum of the voltages of the single cells. The capacity remains unchanged. Batteries in parallel is to connect the positive poles of 2 or more batteries and their negative poles, thus forming a parallel battery pack, and then supply power externally to form a parallel battery pack. The total capacity after parallel connection is the multiple of the single battery capacity. It becomes n times. When n batteries are connected in parallel series, and parallel connection of batteries is to meet the working conditions that the battery pack can provide high voltage and large current for electric discharge, whether in series first or in parallel first. Depends on the actual needs of the battery. As shown in the upper right figure, 3 single cells are connected in series and then in parallel, as shown in the lower right figure. 3 single cells are connected in parallel first, then in series. A battery module usually consists of in single cells connected in series or in a mixed series parallel manner. To represent the connection relationship of the cells, it is usually represented by a code. For example, the connection structure of a battery pack is 2p and 5 south, where the letter S represents series connection and P represents parallel connection. It represents the battery pack to single cells are connected in parallel to form a group, and 5 groups in parallel. Then the single cells of 5 groups combined in parallel should be connected in series. Generally, the power battery assembly are connected in series by n battery modules. The power battery shown in the right figure consists of 10 battery modules in series after connecting the cells in series. The total voltage will increase. The total capacity will be enhanced after parallel connection. Battery modules. There are 2 assembly methods: assembled and welded. BAICEV 160 uses a modular assembly when a single cell in the battery pack fails. A single cell can be replaced. Magrand EV300 uses welded assembly. When a single cell fails, the entire module needs to be replaced. The power battery assembly of Geely Emgrand EV300 consists of 7 1P5S modules and 101 P6S modules connected in series, totaling 95 single cells. With a total rated voltage of 346 volts, it is arranged in 2 layers. Consists of 17 battery modules are connected in series in the order of M1 square meter to M17. There is a fuse between M12 and M13. In this class, we mainly the structure of the automotive power battery. Connection methods, single cells, battery modules, Geely Emgrand, EV300 power battery assembly, etc. Through these 4 contents, we should master the internal structure of power battery, the functions of each component, and be able to judge the connection method of power battery. Please think about the following 3 questions after class.